Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about a arbitrage opportunity which people are not talking about. And thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and engaging with my video. If you are not a subscriber on my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel. I only promise to give you guys good updates on my channel. And the platform you are going to be using for this arbitrage opportunity is Binance and Luno. On Binance, you will need to find this trading pair BTC slash ZAR. On Luno, you need to find this pair also, BTC to ZAR. As you can see, they are selling this one BTC at the rate of 287,603 rands. On Luno, on Binance, the price is different. They are selling this one BTC on Binance at 289,720 rands. So you see, there is 2,100 rands in price difference between two platforms. So it's more profitable for you to buy on this platform than to send over to this Binance to do this. Mind you, if you don't have these two accounts, I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create account with these two platforms so you can make this trade. So first thing you need to do on this trade is you need to deposit money from your account directly to this platform. Mind you, you need to have South Africa account number, bank. So you need to deposit money from South Africa bank to this account. Then you buy this Bitcoin in this account, then send over to Binance and sell it at the market limit, not at market price. There is difference between these two. You need to sell this at above the price, a little bit above the price, not at market price. So after doing this, then you will need to withdraw from Binance to your South Africa bank account, then make this process again. Deposit to this bank, buy BTC, withdraw it to Binance, sell it on Binance. Remember, use limit order. Sell it on Binance, withdraw. You can do it as much as possible, as this price is not the same. It's more profit now to do this every time. So guys, if you are getting value in this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn up the notification bell. I only promise guys to give you good updates on my channel, and let me know what you think about this strategy at the comment section. And thank you guys for your time. See you on the next video.